Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100 both have traded bearish throughout this day. We have seen US30 going close to 34,100 levels, the next support levels, and likewise US100 too has gone to the next support levels at 15,100. Remember, these two are very strong support as we discussed in the morning or Asia session update. Now, what to expect with the US? Which position you should take trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Look at US 100. Now look at US 100. See, first consolidation, second consolidation precisely at same levels and hence below 15,100. Just stay short. You will expect 15,050, 15,000, the next support levels. It has got the next support levels at around these levels below which further bearishness may prevail. Now look at hourly chart. See, more resistance is seen here at around 15,160 levels and hence you can buy here at 15,160. However, remember it has to break past this zone at 15,250 levels in order to confirm the rise there. What has happened so far? See the rise, complete retracement, and it is almost trading in the box and hence beyond 15,160 you can expect 15,200, 220, 240 levels as the next resistance. Beyond that only we can see it trading bullish. Now if you look at the stochastic, this has risen a bit but again looking downwards. The MACD is still bearish, not willing to converge. RSI almost flat and near to bottom. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see 4 candles getting resistance at 15,150, 160 zone and hence above 160 you can buy. However, 15,200 is the level. It needs to stay above for a while in order to confirm the rise. Also remember it is fallen back within the same zone and hence from here both the outcomes are equally possible. It can break on the downside and it can still stay in the box, that is 15,300 levels. Stochastic at bottom here, the MACD is still bearish, the RSI almost flat, and on the 3-hour charts likewise. But on the 3-hour charts, one point to note here is the previous 2 candles. See, the bearishness has already diminished here. At the same time, the previous 2 candles are outside Bollinger Bands and hence we have seen a pullback here. But now the bottom of the Bollinger Bands can give it a support till towards 15,100, which is the next strongest support. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat, and on the 4-hour chart. Now if you look at 4-hour chart, see the previous few candles you can see, specifically the previous candle was an indecision candle. Also it was outside Bollinger Bands and hence it has got a pullback. Now I'll wait for it to, specifically on the 4-hour charts, if you look at 15,160 levels, yes, it has to stay above these levels in order to confirm the rise. However, again, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss, 180, 200, 220, 240 and then only about 250 you can expect it to rise further. See, the moving averages have started to converge. This is slight bearish sign. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now if you look at the daily chart, see the previous candle was a swing candle, lower highs, lower lows, and the pivot is at 15,200. Again 15,100 to 300 is the zone and yes, it can show you the swing in between these levels. Remember what it has done so far, higher lows for the day are done, and if you look at lower highs, more consolidation, which means it can try to rise till towards 15,250. This is also very much possible. Stochastic was overbought, it has dropped a bit. The MACD is still bearish, RSI is also started to look downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy Tech 100 today 15,160. However, bullishness is above 15,200 and only if it breaks past 15,300, that is the point where above which you can treat that Nasdaq 100 is going to stay bullish for a near term. Also look at this, it has formed double top here and forming the double top, the moving averages have now come till towards 15,000 levels. Now see, rise, retracement, double top, and if it breaks on the downside below 15,000, certainly more bearishness, and then US 100 can try to hit till towards 14,700, 600 levels in the near term, because see the moving averages are trading with the extreme divergence and hence a little pullback cannot be denied. Considering this, for the day, stay short below 15,000, but then 15,070 and 50,050 are the two stronger supports. Below that, we may see 14,000, 15,000 and then 14,950, 14,900 are the two next major milestones. On the upside, you can buy here at 15,160. However, wait for it to break past 15,200, above which you may expect little more bullishness. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 10th of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts. Drop, retracement, and now this bearish channel. It is consistently trading in this bearish channel. Now if you just connect the dots, you can find out that a buy entry is only above 34,200 levels, above which you can expect 240, 300. Beyond 300, little more bullishness is confirmed. Also, if you look at last few candles on the hourly chart, see 34,100 certainly is a very good support. Hence, in between 100 and 200, we have to restrict ourselves from taking a position, and only if it stays above 250 levels, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Beyond 300, that should be a reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish on the hourly charts. It has hit a minus 40 levels, and this can call for a little pullback. See, the drop is here from plus 100 to minus 40. See, this is dropped here, and then we have seen a pullback. And hence at these levels we have to be watchful. RSI is also trading oversold. Coming to the 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see almost double top levels, and it is pulling, it has got a pullback on the downside. Now see why 34,100 is important. You can see the previous consolidation here at 34,100, and that is why this zone is important. Only if you see trading below 34,100 for the bearishness, and specifically below 34,000, then only we should treat US30 as further bearish. Also look at these three candles almost at, and hence any move above 34,200 you can buy here. Expect 250 as the major resistance and 300 as the next resistance zone, beyond which it can try to reverse completely. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, see straight fall here. RSI also oversold, and on the 3-hour charts similar is the observation. On the 3-hour chart, see the bearishness diminished here. One reversal indication, it can probably reverse from here also, but it has to stay above 34,250 levels and 200 levels in order to confirm the reversal specifically. And remember, this was the consolidation zone, and hence this could be a major support for US30, below which further bearishness may prevail. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold here. And on the 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour, see straight bearish candles, and it has formed a beautiful step here for US30. At the same time, now it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence may get a pullback. In fact, I will recommend you to buy at 34,150 also, but then wait for 34. Those who want to be little less riskier should wait for 34,200 to be beached. Beyond that, only little more bullishness than 250, 300 levels cannot be denied on the upside. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. And on the daily charts, now look at daily charts. See, after this big bullish candle, resistance here, lower highs, and yesterday one red candle, this is the second red candle here. Also, if you look at maximum here, this candle closed here at around opened here at around 34,100. Also the 20 period moving average sitting at around these levels, and hence you have to be careful here at 34,100, 34,080 level. A stronger support exists here. Below that, further crash can be expected. Remember, the moving average are still trading bullish and are divergent. Stochastic has dropped, MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI has dropped also. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 34,100. Expect 34,080, 34,045 and 34,000 as three major support levels. Below 34,000 till 33,900 also you have to be careful here. Below 33,900 and 800 levels only you can say that Tech or Dow Jones may show you further bearishness. Specifically below 33,800 we may see further bearishness there. On the upside, beyond 200, you can buy here at 34,160 also, but then 200 is the first major resistance. Second is 250 and then 300. If these three levels are breached, then you can say that it is trying to reverse, and then we may see it hitting 33, 34, 350, 400 zone also. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.